Securing the ecological system of the future means taking forward-thinking steps today. A task the VEKA Group, one of the world's leading manufacturers of PVC profiles and sheet products, has been facing up to for years. Progress through action. The most recent example of VEKA's ongoing commitment to the environment is a purpose-designed recycling plant in Thuringia, Germany. The new plant, which covers an area totaling 120,000 square meters, is capable of recycling over 36 tons of material each hour. This £12 million investment is only the first phase of the VEKA Environment Technology Plant, and further developments are already being planned on the same site. The VEKA Group has not only achieved its aim of perfecting a closed material cycle system, which has been a long-term goal, but it has also invested much-needed capital and created job opportunities in what was East Germany. VEKA quality products are manufactured from polyvinyl chloride, PVC. 50 years ago, PVC began its successful progress around the world. In post-war Western Europe in particular, it played a prominent part in the economic growth of a number of countries. Nowadays, it's hard to imagine everyday life without PVC products or their benefits. PVC products offer numerous advantages in certain applications. In particular, window fabricators value the properties of PVC. What other material can be sawn, milled and welded with such precision? The development of VEKA PVC products has taken place in close cooperation with those who are very aware of the environmental impact. This close cooperation, coupled with continuous research and development, has helped ensure that there's no plastic in use today which has been more thoroughly tested for its ecological effects than PVC. This guarantees optimum safety in the handling of PVC material, as well as manufacturing, processing, day-to-day use and waste management. By waste management, we mean the recycling and reprocessing of used material. Another benefit can now be added to the long list of accepted PVC window benefits, their recyclability. Windows that are not needed as a result of renovation, modernization or demolition, as well as the numerous inferior quality PVC windows used in Eastern Europe, can now all be replaced. The VEKA Group is once more setting the pace for recycling PVC material. The VEKA recycling concept is based on an agreement between VEKA and its customers setting out a procedure for returning unwanted materials. Fabricators are provided with crates for cut-offs and containers for unwanted fabricated windows. Profile waste is collected free of charge, and a small fee is charged for windows, doors and roller shutters. PVC, glass and metals are recycled as part of the process, saving resources and eliminating the use of traditional disposal sites. The recycled materials can then be reused without any loss of quality. Naturally, with an environmentally friendly philosophy such as this, VEKA has made this service available to other PVC producers and their fabricators. Return, recycle, reuse, for the sake of our environment and our future. Before materials can be reused, they have to be separated and converted into a suitable format. To begin with, complete windows, doors and roller shutters are tipped into a hopper. Sliding down through rollers, the windows are flattened and fed into a disintegrator. At this stage, everything is broken up into a manageable size. Rotating hammers smash the material as it slides over the anvil plates until it's broken up into smaller particles. It then passes through a number of meshes of various sizes. During the break-up operation, flying dust, assembly foam and other particles are removed by an integral vacuum-operated dust removal system. A series of conveyor belts takes the resulting mixture of PVC, rubber, wood and glass to the next stage, where actual material separation takes place. First, iron is separated out by means of a powerful magnet. The conveyor belt vibrates to maximize the extraction of iron particles. The remainder of the mixture is then fed into a huge rotating sieve, which separates it into 4 fragment sizes called fractions. Only fractions are between 4 to 15 millimeters in size go on for further separation. Smaller particles, less than 4 millimeters, go directly into a container. Larger items have to go through the torture of further crushing until they reach the required size. The 4 to 15 millimeter fragments are transported to a special metal separator which extracts 3 types of material. By using the specific flight path of each material, the machine throws the fragments into chutes for non-ferrous metals, a mixture of PVC, glass and rubber, and previously non-extracted iron fragments. An air suction ventilator is used to separate the fragments according to weight. The mixture of PVC, glass, rubber and wood particles passes onto inclined vibrating grids and is cushioned by a precisely controlled stream of air from below. This causes the lighter particles, in this case PVC, rubber and wood, to float down softly on the cushion of air and be collected. This process is repeated as often as necessary until only PVC and rubber are left. Glass, which remains on the grid, moves in the direction of vibration towards the top of the conveyor belt, where it's also separated as a raw material. The separation of the rubber particles from the PVC is the last stage in the sorting process. This is done by a heavy particle selector. The process is similar to the air suction ventilator. However, the specific weight enables precise selection of PVC. The final process is the separation of white PVC from colored PVC. Dust extraction is incorporated throughout every stage of the process. The net result is that the unwanted window or door that was put into the hopper at the start of the process has been separated into iron, other metals, glass, rubber, and of course, white and colored PVC. Valuable resources have been saved, and recycled PVC can now be reprocessed into new window profiles without any loss in quality. Irrefutable proof that VEKA Group policy is geared to facing up to the challenges of our times. With this, VEKA and its customers are once again at the forefront of sound ecological action. VEKA. Progress through action.